Silksong is not launching or is crashing, the most likely cause is a corrupt file from a failed download or a software conflict. Here is a short, efficient solution. Verify game files, most important. Open your Steam library, right-click on Hollow Knight, Silksong, go to Properties, select the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any broken files. Update your drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and your Windows OS are fully updated. Disable conflicting software. Temporarily turn off any game overlays, like Discord or NVIDIA GeForce, or security software that might be interfering. If the problem persists, it may be an issue with the game itself, and a patch from the developers will be needed.